Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're going to stop the automatic screensaver immediately. First, confirm your operating system and that you have admin access. On Windows, open Settings. On macOS, open System Preferences. On Linux, check Settings or GNOME tweaks. Once you've verified account privileges, disable active hot corners and close any full-screen apps that force a saver. Make sure an external keyboard/mouse is active if you rely on input to prevent idle triggers. This first step establishes control quickly and avoids permission roadblocks. Now change the core settings that enforce the screensaver. You'll disable or set the screensaver to none and increase timeouts in power settings. On Windows, also check Group Policy or Task Scheduler for scripts that trigger locking. On macOS, check Energy Saver schedules and hot corners. For Linux, edit Power Management or X11/Wayland blanking values. Once done, recheck Screensaver timeout plus any third-party utilities that override system defaults, because they're often the hidden cause of repeat activations. Finish by preventing recurrence. Uninstall or disable third-party Screen Manager apps and update display drivers, because driver power quirks can trigger blanking. Test the change by leaving the system idle for the new timeout. Then check Event Viewer on Windows or Console on Mac OS for lock or sleep events. If it returns, revoke Corporate Group Policy or Mobile Device Management rules and boot into Safe Mode to isolate offending services. If nothing else works, create a small scheduled task that simulates activity to bypass stubborn idle detection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.